Welcome back to Wayne TV. We have some very special guests from the Wayne County Health Department. I think this is the first time we've met on the show. So we've got Suzanne.
Yes.
And we've got Hunter. Suzanne is the health director. Hunter is the health education supervisor. All right, I didn't want to butcher that title. So two very important people with the health department. But we're here today talking about this big community health survey that's going on right now. And people may hear community health survey. What is that? I don't have good community health, I don't know, whatever they think. But I think some of the common misconceptions is they want to maybe complain about the hospital or complain about this doctor's office. And it's really bigger than that. It's much more important for our region. So we'll start with you. Tell us about what the survey is for.
Sure. So the survey is what we call a community health needs assessment, Joel. And so what that is first, it's a process that every county in North Carolina is required to go through every 3 years. And so for health departments are partner with local nonprofit hospitals. So we're in partnership completely with Wayne UNC to conduct this year. It's a year-long process for us. And so what it does is, like you said, the misconception is it's a complaint form. It's not. It's actually where we depend on the community to tell us the direction that they think we need to go in with our work. So we do the survey, and I'll let Hunter talk a little bit about how to access the survey, but this is where the community has a voice in the priorities that we set to improve the health of our entire community. And it's a snapshot of the community's perceptions about what they think our issues are in the community. We take that data after that year process and we work with local organizations. It's a multi-level partnership between the entire community. We take that information and that drives what we choose to prioritize our programs and services and many times funding on and work on for the vision of the county for the next 3-year process.
I think that's so important because, a lot of people, they do surveys maybe every 10 years, and not health, but a lot of strategic plans are done every 5, 10, 15 years. You guys are updating it every 3 years. And it takes a year to do the survey anyway. So, but I think that's important because that means that the needs that the health department is chasing and even the hospital are truly the needs within the county.
Exactly.
So I think that's really cool. It's a quick survey. It's not long. I know Hunter's going to tell us a little bit about it. You can do it all online. And so, Hunter, where can people get more information about the survey?
And so the 3 easiest places are going to be our website, waynegov.com, and then Wayne UNC also has an option as well. Their website is wayneunc.org. And then if you haven't already, follow us on Facebook at Wayne County Health Department, and we will have a link as well as a QR code to scan and be able to access the survey that way as well.
Perfect. And I do urge you to follow the health department on Facebook because they are out and about a lot in the community at different events and stuff. Hunter brings out iPads. If you want to take the survey at an event, he's literally got an iPad there for you to take it. If you don't have access to a computer or internet, the public library has got computers for you to take the survey. So there's no excuse for somebody not to take the survey. And of course, the more people that we get, the more data that we have, so that we can. And it's not personal. I do want to tell people it's not like. No. We're not asking you for what your ailments are.
Right. And there are areas, if you prefer not to answer, you can, but there's no identifying information for the individual for sure.
It's all just overarching themes and things like that. So is there anything I left out, Hunter, that you wanted to talk about?
No, if there's anybody that is not able to access it electronically or would prefer to do it by paper, we can make that accommodation. So just contact the health department. And they'll reach out to me and we'll be able to make that happen.
Perfect.
And Joel, we're also wanting to conduct focus groups in the community as well to come out and to talk about it. And we can come out. We're welcome to come out to any group that would like to have us. We just went out to Mount Olive today to the Rotary Club, and they were the first ones as a group to do that and to take the survey, which was wonderful right there on the spot, and we're happy to assist with that.
Cool.
And just want to point out, we only have until June 7th. That's when the survey closes. So it's a tight time frame, but we want to get it all done and get everybody's voice by June 7th.
June 7th is that important deadline. I urge you to go through, take a look at the survey. Just glance through it. Even if you don't have time to come back to it later, but just look through it, you'll see it's not hard at all to
quick.
answer. It's very quick. But having that voice is so important, and just taking like a few minutes out of your time is so important for the health of our community and the direction that we go on a lot of funding and stuff. So Anything else we need to talk about, y'all?
I think we're good.
Cool.
Thanks for having us.
Thank y'all for coming
Thank
in.
you.
And again, head to waynegov.com. You can head to the hospital's website or Wayne County Health Department on Facebook. Find the link for the survey and take it today.